Hi, I'm Jonah, and I'll show you how to get to Canvas. First, you go on to Google Chrome, then you'll go on to vPortal Apps and click on the Canvas tile. And then once you're in Canvas, you click on Mr. P's 4th grade, which kind of looks like this. Then you'll see down here a menu, and there's read for 15 minutes. You can do that in the beginning or at the end of your main work. This is the main course, and this is your main work that has to be complete. And once all this stuff is finished, you should do this, and then after you do this, you can do the dessert. And then this appears lessons. This is where you get to all your main course items. And then grades are like the points you get for each of your main course things. And quizzes. Those are some of the main course things that you can get to from here too. And discussions, we haven't really done that though.
Hi, my name is Elliot, and I'm going to be showing you what we're working on in Canvas. So first we go to lessons, and then after we go to lessons, we are going to work on either the Native Tribes or the Challenger Space Shuttle. The Native Tribes is due on Friday, and the Challenger Space Shuttle was due last week. So then we complete the quiz, and when we complete the quiz, this is the question we have to answer. How did the native surroundings of Florida's native tribes influence their lifestyle and survival? We have to answer that question on every single question and on every single tribe. And then last week's was the Challenger Space Shuttle. And on the Challenger Space Shuttle, we had to answer questions about the story. And then after we answered the questions about the story, there was 4 short responses. And there's 4 short responses. And 2, there was 4 multiple choices and 2 short responses. And then after we answered those, we were done with this week's and last week's assignments.
Hi, my name is Kendall, and I'm going to be showing you how to check your grades on Canvas. So you go to lessons, the Challenger Space Shuttle, go to that, and you can hit complete this quiz, and the score was 5 out of 8. Question 1, they got it correct. Question 2, they got it correct. Question 3, they got it wrong. That was the correct answer. B was the correct answer. On question 4, they got it right. On question 5, the highest you can get was 2 points, and they got 2 points. And the comment was excellent answer. Question number 6, this one was 2 points, and they got a 0. It says question not answered and evidence not shown. So that's how you do it.
Alright, so a final couple notes. You can also view grades by clicking the grades icon. And then here you'll see a list of all the assignments and the grades that were given for each of those for the whole grading period. Here is the most recent challenge discovery. And discussions, as talked about before, we haven't really gotten to do much of that yet, but we will eventually start using it more, where the students will have online collaborative discussions.